Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to create some multicolor eye look. So for today I'm going to use LaRoc 183 eyeshade tones. So in this palette I have 183 colors. Wait a minute, I'm going to show you like this. So it has 3 slides in it. The first and second one is this. The first one is this, which is in which they are all green colors in first 3 rows, and then purple, pink, orange, red, as you can see, all the colors. And this in the second palette we have pinkish, brown, white. So these are all multicolor shades. In all palettes they are multicolored. So these are brown shades and these are pink shades. These are for bronze and these are for blush on. Today I'm going to use this palette, of course, because today I'm going to use yellow, green, orange, red, purplish color. So as I already told you that I'm going to create multicolor eyeshadow today. So now let's start. First I'm going to use Clinique Moisturizer Surge Cream. So first I'm going to use this bright color. It's a bright yellow color. I'm going to use this orange color. Blending, we are going to blend whole colors. Okay, so take any clean brush, make a cut crease on your eyelid like this. So here is my eye done. Now it's time for eyeliner. So my eyes are done. Now I'm going to towards foundation. So here is my final look. Thank you for watching. Bye.